we go. Blizzard of 2022 generation, right? Generational storm till next week. Next week's generation. So it's about 8:15. The blizzard warnings came in at 7 a.m. but nothing happened the first hour. So yeah, it's a little bit after. Yeah, it's about 8:20ish, and the winds went from dead calm to blowing. See the neighbor's flag. You can hear it howling. Snow just started. So this is the beginning. Didn't ice over yet. We did get some rain, sleet. Now it's switched over to snow. Trees are moving. Calling for 70-mile-an-hour winds. So I have two dog runners, biggest ones I could find with ratchet straps. So let's see if that bad boy holds up. Cold. Doesn't look as bad on the phone, but when you look at it, the phone away from the phone, it's pretty crazy. Here's the view from inside the room. Here's a better view from upstairs. Snow's coming. It's 8:45. I don't know if you can see there's a squirrel trapped in our mulberry tree. He says, hell with this shit. So it's almost 8:45. There goes the squirrel. And here we go. It's starting to get snow on the ground. Winds are spiking, but you get a strong gust and then it goes away. The lights have flickered a few times. I haven't lost power yet, but I'm sure we will. Santa's rocking and rolling. He ain't scared. And guess what? The four-wheeler's gone. So I gotta shovel 3 feet. Well, they say 3 feet, all by myself. So we out of here in April. More to come on that. Neighbor walking the dog. It's getting a little thicker, the snow. Grass, we went from green grass to starting to get covered here. I just heard the Getzel fire, so they just got toned out for something. Hopefully it's not a car accident. Hopefully people are smart enough to stay off the road. Yeah, you don't want to be driving in this. It doesn't look like much on the cell phone, but trust me. When you're looking at it with your naked eye, it's you get past those neighbors' trees, you can't see crap. When I go look between the houses, you can't see anything. The cell phone though, man, these things are amazing because if I'm looking through my cell phone lens, it's like it doesn't look like it's barely doing anything. Looks like I'm all bark and no bite. Let me tell you. If this keeps up another hour, I won't be able to see my neighbor's house. This is the view from the same back bedroom, but now I'm starting to not be able to see some of the neighbors' houses. I can see about 2 houses down, but after that it's just sheer white. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, so. And the back lawn is now pretty much covered. Still have power. The tree don't fall on my head. Yeah, luckily not any big monsters. But little tree, big tree. You don't want one falling on your head. Alright, it's 9:20. We just lost power. I hear generators. Down goes Santa. Oh boy. I just traded my generator for a 30-pack of Bush Light because we're moving. It's funny because looking out, I can see it. It's funny because I can see it through the camera, but like if I look away from the camera, I can't see the neighbor's house.
What is it?
But I can see him through the camera, which is weird. Basketball hoops down. Lawn's almost covered. Power's still out. It's going on 10:40. Alright, it's about 12:30. The power came on about 20 minutes ago, so we got power back. And it's starting to accumulate now, but it is blowing. The winds are kind of dying down, but not much. Oh yeah, look at that drift. The way it drifts off of our roof. That's gonna, I'm gonna go out and shovel in a minute. Santa! Some birds coming in. Take cover. I'm gonna go out and shovel here in a minute. Glad the power's back on. We're getting close to, I think, 2 o'clock now, and yeah, no, it's starting to really pile up and can barely see the neighbors. And the windows are not covered. I just shoveled. It's about 4 to 6 inches in the driveway, but a lot of that's blown. As you can see out the front window, it's completely covered. I just did the driveway, like I said, and the drifts were pretty big, so let's go to the front door. Alrighty. Whew. You really can't see anything now. And I just shoveled all that, and now that's back. That's great. It's funny, you can see grass, but where it's drifting up, it's pretty deep. Damn, that's cool. Alright, well, now we're coming up at 4 o'clock. The drifts are getting a lot bigger. The wind's still crazy, still have power, but visibility still sucks. And these drifts are catching up. A lot of shoveling to do. Santa's gone. All right, 7 a.m. Now it's Saturday morning, the day after, and the snow is piled up. Last night by the shed, that was all grass. There was like tons of snow out here. Oh, the winds are still ridiculous. You can't see anything. Can't see the neighbor's house. I shoveled at 9 last night, and the snow was about 8 inches. But you could see grass by my shed last night. But now that looks like with that drift, looks about 3-4 feet. And visibility is like 0. And the wind is just rocking. Never lost power though last night. That's a good thing. So I could barely open the door. I just shoveled all this at 9 last night. Literally. I shoveled all that. Even the driveway, and now it's up. Crap. Alright, so again, Saturday morning. It freaking continued all night. I just finally got all this. This was up to here. So I finally got all this moved. And I just shoveled this. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can see it. This is almost up to my boobays. I just got all this. Yep. So that's about up to my knees. Let's see. Garage doors getting buried in there. See the drifts on the side of the car. It's like nothingness out here. Quite scary. But we still haven't lost power since yesterday, so that's good. Alright, here we are, Saturday now. Day after, the wind's still rocking. -10 with the wind chill. Again, you can barely see. As you remember yesterday, you can still see grass. You can kind of see grass right by the shed, but on the sides of the shed, it's all the way up to the left-hand side of the shed. It's all the way up to the chain link. And it is the drifts now by the dog run. It's going up by the little kid's fort. Yeah, I'd say it's probably close to 3 feet. That drift right there. Can't really see the neighbors' houses. You could see them better yesterday, but now it's starting to accumulate. This is nuts. Can't wait to get to Florida next year. I'll deal with the hurricanes. Ooh. I feel like half the house is gonna cave in. The snow's just not stopping. I did shovel earlier this morning. I had to stop. I said enough's enough. I only had a little bit of my nose and cheeks exposed, and it was just frozen. After about 10 minutes, I gave up. I can't physically move all this. I got rid of the snow plow on the 4-wheeler. I got rid of the 4-wheeler for the move to Florida. So I have to do this by hand, and I just said, it ain't worth having a heart attack. All right, it's almost 3 o'clock. There's a view from the kitchen window. It is ripping. Still can barely see the neighbors. That wind is rocking. And there is just stupid amounts of snow out there. I don't even want to know what the front of the house is. I'm going to be trapped for a while. This is nuts. Snow's supposed to go from today, Saturday, all the way up to Sunday morning. Look at it, it's all the way up to the fence. I don't know if you can see my shed from there. Right up the shed. All right, Saturday, Christmas Eve. It's about 7:30. The blizzard of 2022. It's still 7:30. The next day is still, the wind is still rocking. Visibility still sucks. You can hear it. It literally started yesterday, Friday, about 9, and has not stopped. Look at it, it's all like, now it's up past the fence. Still only lost the power the one time. This is just ridiculous. It's just not stopping. Tomorrow, they said 7 a.m. Should stop Sunday, Christmas Day. The shed's unreal though. All right, it's 7:40 Christmas morning. You probably hear the little one screaming. He's excited. So I actually just rolled out of bed. I'm surprised he slept in this late. So 7:40 Christmas morning. The wind's still a little rippy, but it finally stopped snowing. Here's the aftermath. The view from above. Oh, thanks, Brian. You can just set it on the chair behind me.
Now open your presents, folks.
Hey, we're on video. Stop being ding dongs. Being privacy. Holy mackerel. This is insane. Looking out my back door. We got a sun, finally.
Mom, I thought you wanted to help.
I do want to.
Look at my shed.
I was cooking a little breakfast and I didn't figure it out.
It's up past the gate.
What's that?
I know it's kind of hard to tell, but out there, again, this is Christmas Day. Somebody tried to walk, but you can see over the neighbors' mailboxes. You can't even see the road. You have no idea. So there's been no plows. It's just all one big drift of snow. You can't even tell where the road is. Oh, there's a neighbor. He's getting up to about his knees. Alrighty, so there it is, the 2022 Christmas blizzard. Yikes. We survived, only lost the power the one time, so this is what it's like. Those that follow my channel, big news is we're moving. We're out of here. We're going to Florida in April. The house is about 3/4 of the way built, and never have to deal with this crap again. I'll deal with the hurricanes and the bugs. So if you like the fishing crap, hang tight. We've got some cool fishing stuff. I got some friends and some good folks down here, so I'll be able to do some fishing, deep sea and all that good stuff. So maybe even some hog hunting. So stay tuned for that fun stuff. I'm excited.